Hello students, welcome class 1 to your e-learning computer class. Your computer exam over, so today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 7, Notepad and Wattpad. Notepad and Wattpad, page number 63. You all will open your computer book and follow me. And before that I want to discuss one thing with you. In this previous chapter, chapter number 6, Let Us Paint, there was a lab activity and the activity time. There few picture is given over here. Using the shapes you all will draw this. Using the shapes you all will draw this three figure and colors. Using the colors you will color group, you will color this figure also. Using the shapes you all will draw these three figures: triangle, line tool, rectangle tool and the circle. Using the shapes you will draw these three figures, and using the colors group you all will draw this, you all will color this picture. And using the brush tool you will draw this house. Who have computer in their home, they will practice in your home. When you will draw in practically, you can understood how to draw, and then you can draw nicely. And identify the tools that have been used to draw the given picture in paint. This is a picture: sun, hills, tree and house. Using the tools, which tool you will apply to draw this hill? You can apply the triangle tool, you can apply the line tool. Using this tool you can draw this hills. And using the circle tool, oval tool, no circle tool is there, oval tool. Using the oval tool you can draw the sun. And using the pencil tool you can draw this bird. And using the pencil tool or the triangle tool you can draw this, and the line tool you can draw this tree. And house, there is a rectangle tool and the triangle tool and circle. And using the oval tool you can draw this house also. And color group, colors, using the colors and fill with color tool you can color this picture. Okay, then you can write over here line tool, triangle tool, rectangle tool, oval tool and fill with color tool. Okay, these two chapter page number 61 and 62. 62 few figures is given over here. You all will try to draw all this and color also in paint. Okay, when if you can do it properly, then you can draw nicely. Okay, so now today I want to start a new chapter, Notepad and Wattpad. Notepad and Wattpad, these are the word processing software. This is a program. When you draw, if you want to draw a picture in computer, you have to open the Paint, MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. How to open MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, previous chapter I discussed. If you don't know how to open the software, how to apply the software, how to use that particular software, and you cannot use that. So if your teacher told to write a paragraph. Hi Rahul, my teacher told me to type a paragraph on my surrounding on the computer. Can you help me to do that? Next reply, sure Priya, for this a computer program called Wattpad or Notepad can be used. Let me tell you more about this. Wattpad, if you want to write a paragraph, you have to open Wattpad, either Wattpad or Notepad. Using the Wattpad or Notepad, you can write a paragraph. Okay, first you have to know how to start the Wattpad and Notepad. And thereafter the start menu, beside the start menu there is a search box. You just type the name which one you want to open. If you want to open the Wattpad, you just type Wattpad. If you want to open a Notepad, you just in the search box you just type Notepad and type Wattpad or Notepad in the search box next to the start button. Next to the start button, the notepad or wattpad icon will appear, and then if you type the notepad, then you can see when you search, click it and the start button, you can see the notepad icon will appear. You just click on that particular icon. Notepad, if you want to open, you just click on the notepad icon. The notepad icon, the screen will open. This is the notepad window. This first one is called, you will see the opening screen of notepad will open. This is the notepad window. And if you want to open a wattpad, you just type in the search box wattpad and then start button, and then a menu will appear. There are wattpad icon. You can see, you just click on that particular icon, that if you want to open a wattpad, you click on wattpad. This is the wattpad window. Do you know that notepad and wattpad both are the word processing software, but in wattpad more features are there than the notepad. Notepad, we can write anything, that's no problem, but in more advanced and the more features are available in the wattpad. Okay, wattpad is used to create a document and edit also. There are many features are there. We can make our paragraph more attractive using the wattpad. And notepad contains limited feature, but the notepad have some limited feature. We cannot color over there, we cannot increase the size of from there. Okay, and there is some limitation is there, limited formatting features than the wattpad. Okay, so look the opening screen of wattpad. This is the opening screen of wattpad, and this is the opening screen of notepad. And opening a new file in notepad and its feature. If you want to open a notepad file, suppose you have written something and you want to open a new file in notepad. Where? In notepad. This is the notepad window. In the notepad window, there is a file menu. First is the file menu. You just click on the file menu. This is the, when if you want to type in notepad, then you have to open the notepad. When you open the notepad, this type of window will open. If you want to type a new file, if you want to open a new file, you just click on the file menu. Click on the file menu. When you click on the file menu, one drop down list will appear. There is a new. There is an option new. You just click on the new if you want to open a new file. Okay, there are many options is there. New, then shape, open, save as, exit. There are the many options are there. If you want to open a new file, you have to choose the new option. Okay, first click on the file menu. In under of the file menu, there is option new. You just click on new. When you click on new, you can see this type of window will open. There is a cursor is blinking. That means that page is ready for writing. When the cursor is there, whatever you will type from the keyboard, that later will start from the, where is the cursor, from that particular position your writing will, whatever you will type, that one you can see from that particular position. Okay, you will see the cursor on the screen. Start typing in the text from here. Where is the cursor? Whatever type this your writing will start from there. Okay, and that is a computer manner. Do not touch the monitor screen with a sharp object. Never touch the sharp object on the monitor. Okay, word wrap, this feature, word wrap, it is a feature. Word wrap, what is the feature? This feature helps to move the word to the next line automatically. Word wrap, it is a feature when we will type automatically, when one line will complete it, automatically your cursor will come down to the next line or the new line. Okay, this is called word wrap. This feature helps to move the word to the next line automatically. When this feature is enabled, this allows the user to see the text without using the scroll bar, whereas this feature is disabled, the text will appear in one horizontal line. It will in a one horizontal line, you can see this feature. When this feature is enabled, is not available, is enabled, it's allow the user to see the text without using the scroll bar. Without using the scroll bar, we can see the text. scroll, whereas this feature is called disable. Disabled, this text will appear in one horizontal line. When this is it's not is enable. If enable, we can see, no need to use the horizontal bar to see the whole line, and when it is disable, then we can use the scroll bar, because we can see this line in a one horizontal line. It will see the text will appear in one horizontal line. Okay. Now for today this much. Next class I will discuss how to save your file in Notepad and how to exit from the Notepad. Today this much. Okay. Thank you. Bye all of you. Bye beta. Have a nice day.